Guys, we're here.
Damn, your car looks really good.
My car looks so good. All right, let's see. Big Booty Judy. You guys, I wish I could show you guys before what it looked like.
Brand new car, who this?
Sheesh.
What's going on?
Little behind the scenes.
How's it going?
Hola, ¿cómo está? Bien, bien, gracias.
Hey, you guys. Check it out. So there was some bad dents in there. And they got it all out. They're gonna match the paint. And then, oh shoot, here's the hood. They've already sanded it down. Already fixed any imperfections on it. Got the whole bumper.
Baby,
Nice.
he wants to know if you want this black gloss or what do you want to do with it? Matte, gloss?
Yeah, if you can, gloss.
I think it looks better, but the same for the mirror.
Yeah, if we do gloss black, yeah, that would be cool. Yeah,
Estamos viendo muy rápido.
yeah, you guys are fast, man. It's looking good. How is it matching the paint?
¿Es difícil?
Yeah. Look at that, you guys. Hell yeah, so hyped.
Lo vengo haciendo, mire.
So he's mixing it himself.
Yeah,
He's
'cause,
going to show you.
Cause let them know, cause there was 2 shades for mine.
Yeah, that's what he's...
Yeah.
No sale de la computer.
Ajá.
Pero el problema, si lo mira así de frente no se ve mal.
Yeah.
Pero míralo así de lado. ¿Cómo
He's
se ve?
saying that like this, it looks the same, right? But when you turn it like this, you can tell that there's a difference.
Difference, yeah.
Yeah, so he's saying that he needs to get the tone.
So what I just learned too is that so my model year is from 2015 to 2018.
Mm-hmm.
Mine's a 2018, and so on 2018 they changed the shade a little bit from there's 2 shades.
I know, I see.
Yeah.
The
And I
gas
didn't
door,
know that. Yeah.
The gas door in the fenders.
Yeah.
Looks different.
Yeah.
This is more green.
Yeah. Because when
Yeah.
the sun goes down, it looks more green. Yeah, it definitely
Entonces
does.
esto lo estoy agarrando más o menos de sample, pero lo voy a echar a los fenders. ¿Sí me entiende?
Sí. Yeah, so he's saying that.
I take that one the sample.
Okay.
Yeah,
But,
sample,
the
but
last-
he's matching it to your actual, like the fenders.
And the
so
fenders.
that it's the
Yeah.
same.
It looks the same.
Because he's saying,
Yeah.
like, in the lighting, you can see, it looks, you think, like, oh, it looks the same. But when you put it up,
Yeah.
there's a difference, and that's
Yeah.
what he's saying. He's
So it's
not
like a
gonna
mix
go-
of the 2.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Right now, he's mixing the 2 together.
Yeah,
Yeah.
to get that perfect.
Yeah, because this one looks good when it's flat,
Yeah, but
and
that's
then
what
this
he's
one,
saying.
the top one looks good when it's straight.
Yeah, that's what he's
Yeah.
saying. Like,
This is the same color.
Yeah.
Okay? But this is take the pressure and this low pressure.
Okay.
Este lo hago con más presión y este le bajo la presión. Y se
oh,
fija
he's
cómo
saying
cambia.
the pressure. He's changing it, and you can see like the difference
Yeah.
in it.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Entonces este es el que más o menos ya lo llevo, mire, ya este no está tan
Yeah.
mal. Más le hace falta poquito rojo
Yeah, so he's
Y
saying he
ese
has to add a little bit more red to it.
Oh,
para
okay.
que se vea bien.
Wow.
So it can
Ya no se
match
ve tan mal.
completely. That's
Yeah.
crazy that he's picking up on, like,
Thank you.
He's one of the best.
yeah, we've heard.
Lo que se le quede, no le va a quedar perfecto,
Sí.
pero lo más close que quede.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Que se vea bien, pues.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Muchas gracias.
Thank you.
Bye.
All right, you guys. So Jose said he's ready to start spray painting the car. Looks like he's got a good match on the paint. It's gonna allow us to take a look.
Make one more spray out
Uh huh.
for more sure.
Okay. It's crazy. We're gonna be in here while he's spraying. Sorry guys, I know it's loud, but basically right now he just put on a sealer and in all the spots that he's going to be adding paint to just to help the paint stick. Alright, you guys, so just a little update again. He's only done one coat so far, so he's gonna end up spraying a second time before he starts doing the clear coats. But so far, man, looks so sick in this matte color without the clear coat yet. Looks really dope. Definitely looks a lot more gold. Looks so sick. Like a Sharpie Gold really got the color match like spot on. You guys, I'm super impressed with Jose. Jose's been killing this. Sorry for, I know it's a bit loud in here, but just watching the process, it's so cool. Like, this is my first time ever in a paint booth, and it's such an experience. You guys can see this is the old hood. So boring. Definitely, if you have an M3 F80 or M4, you guys got to get the hood. Such a big piece on the car too that it's gonna make such a big difference. This is gonna be coat number 2.
That's good.
Now it's the clear coat?
Yeah, but I can spray out first.
Okay. Okay. He's a perfectionist, you guys. Taking such good care of my car. You can kind of see it on camera. It's a little bit harder on here, but my eyes, yeah, you can see it. So that's high pressure, low pressure?
Low pressure.
Yeah. The high pressure looks good. Yeah. Awesome. He's doing everything he can to make sure that the paint color looks perfect. Also, I had a nasty door ding here, right on the body line. They already knocked it out too. They sent me pictures. So I'm super hyped that they already did that for me. So he wet the paint color and he wet my paint and we lined it up and the color looks so good. It's like a perfect match. That's crazy. That's cool, you guys. I had no idea. I always kind of wondered why the floor was wet, but it helps like collect all the dust and collect any kind of overspray. Wow, dude. Jose's so cool, man. He just bought me an ice cream sandwich. Oh, what a guy. And right now they're actually sanding down my tank. So you guys know that's gonna get painted too. So Jose hooked me up with the hairnet and the mask because now he's gonna be doing the clear coats. Wow, you guys, that was only one coat. Super glossy already. It's so cool to see like all the different steps it takes and just to see this paint come to life. Crazy how much just a clear coat changes the color. Look at that. Damn, boy. Looks good. What's up, everybody? We are on our way currently to pick up the M3 from Mastercraft Auto Body. I know I've been posting a lot about them on my Instagram, so hopefully you guys are following me on Instagram. If not, this is my Instagram, same as my YouTube channel name. It's just my first and last name. But yeah, definitely if any other F80 or F82 owners or F83 owners get the GTS or the CS hood, definitely hit Mastercraft Auto Body up. They did an amazing job. Jose the painter there is so good. Super thankful for his hard work and everybody there at the shop that helped take my car apart and put it back together. I'm super excited. I'm super nervous to see how the car came out. Well, all as one piece. I was in the booth, as you guys saw, you know, recording the whole paint process, which really didn't take that long. Did such a great job. Super excited. Like I said, I cannot wait to see the car and see how it looks all completed with the new hood installed. Stay tuned. We're almost there. Thankful that my girlfriend's able to take me this morning. Wasn't sure I was getting the car today. They had told me the end of the week. Today is Wednesday, so I'm super excited to get the car back early. Cannot wait to drive it again. I miss driving my fast car.
Get out of the way.
Yeah. So yeah, I'll be able to go to all the meets now. Been missing out on a lot since since the car's been in the shop. Yeah, I did end up missing out on SD Beamer's meet. I was really looking forward to going to that because basically that was gonna be our Beamer Fest for 2021. You know, I'll be going to all the other meets coming up. And also, you guys, unfortunately, it sucks that we have to kind of watch where we park our cars, watch where, you know, we take our cars, because, you know, as careful as we can be, drivers on the road that aren't paying attention, that aren't as good of a driver as we are, and yeah, and people who are driving cars that they really don't care about. It sucks because we still haven't found the driver that ended up hitting my car and, you know, taking off. So just be aware, you guys. Just make sure you guys aren't parking too close to cars. Make sure you guys just park far away. But yeah, it sucks. We haven't found out who hit me. So thankfully, though, the body shop's been taking care of me. So we are pulling up. We are pulling up, you guys. I don't know if my car's gonna be right here in the front or not. Oh, she's all clean. Damn, there's a Mercedes in the way right now. So they'll probably have to move that before I can pull out. But oh my god, you guys, it's behind this Mercedes right here. But yeah, you guys need to hit them up. It was not easy paint matching my paint specifically. A lot of other shops had told me that, you know, because I had been looking at getting the hood before this before my little accident, and a lot of them were telling me that they were gonna have to like repaint my fenders to help paint match it, to help kind of blend everything in. This body shop does not play around. Definitely hit them up. They get everything done real quick and real smooth. Such an easy process with them. So thank you, Harry, and everybody here at the shop. Thank you so much for letting me film here. Let's go check out the car. I'm so excited. Oh my god, you guys, I missed my car. Oh my god.
What's the damage on this side?
You can't even tell the difference. Oh my god. Wow. What? You guys, it looks so good. There was dents here. It was all scuffed up and nasty. They re-put my diffuser pieces. I still have to add my tray when I get home. Oh my god, look, they put my taillights. You guys, if you know me, I didn't really install them correctly, and they put them on better than I had originally did it. There's Jose. Oh my god. Oh, the hood. Are you guys ready for the hood? Oh my god, bro. What? Oh my god. Oh my god. You guys, this thing looks ridiculous. Oh my god, the hood looks so good. So happy with it. Damn. Oh my god, thing looks amazing. How do you like the hood? Looks good?
Yeah, I like the lines.
Oh my god, you guys, they freaking killed it. And the paint match is so good. Oh my god. And look, Jose the painter, he was like, you know what, you should do this gloss black. You want to do a gloss black? I was like, that's not a bad idea, because when you get this hood piece, the vent piece, it's like a matte black finish. It's like a plastic finish, you know. And wow, super hyped that he went ahead and made that gloss black for me. Wow, you guys, this thing looks amazing. Oh yeah, and also, you guys, I had this gnarly door ding that some idiot, you know, that's what I mean, you gotta be careful where you're parking your car. There was a nasty door ding I had here that they had removed for me as well. So the car is like flawless right now. Holy crap. Damn, this shit looks so sick with the new hood. So you guys, Jose like absolutely killed this. I'm so hyped to have my car back. And then I got one more little surprise for you guys. What's up, Jose?
Bien, bien, ¿y usted?
How you doing? Thank you so much.
Perfecto el carro.
Oh, the tank. Oh, all right, you guys, here goes the little final part of today. You guys are gonna love this because I'll be installing it very soon. All right, you guys, look, check it out. This is that little secret we had. So I will be installing my air management and airbags. Pretty soon, just have to hit up the homie Zach. Went ahead and got my air tank color matched to the car. So when you guys pop the trunk, you guys will be able to see this, and that'll be pretty cool.
Harry, you gotta say hi to the vlog.
This is
With
Harry.
this hairdo.
This is the owner.
Guys,
Super great dude.
sometimes don't believe half of the things you said.
Nah, you guys took care of me so good.
No worries. Everything is good. As long as you like it.
Looks
that's all I care.
amazing.
So happy.
Bring all the cars you want.
Thank you, thank you.
Don't bring me headaches, but don't bring me the boys.
Oh, super hyped, you guys. First startup in a while. You know what we have to do, you guys? You gotta open the valves before you start your car. Ooh. Let's go. They detailed my car too. He clay barred it. Wow, it looks crazy looking down at the hood. You can see the grooves and all the angles that it has now.